Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn English through Passage. Today's passage is taken from the book The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Now let's begin. For our purposes, we will define a habit as the intersection of knowledge, skill, and desire. Knowledge is the theoretical paradigm, the what to do and the why. A skill is the how to do, and desire is the motivation, the want to do. In order to make something a habit in our lives, we have to have all three. I may be ineffective in my interactions with my work associates, my spouse, because I constantly tell them what I think, but I never really listen to them. Unless I search out correct principles of human interaction, I may not even know I need to listen. Even if I do know that in order to interact effectively with others, I really need to listen to them. I may not have the skill, I may not know how to really listen deeply to another human being. But knowing I need to listen and how to listen is not enough unless I want to listen. Unless I have the desire, it won't be a habit in my life. Creating a habit requires work in all three dimensions. The being or seeing change is an upward process. Being changing seeing, which in turn changes being, and so forth as we move in an upward spiral of growth. By working on knowledge, a skill and desire, we can break through to new levels of personal and interpersonal effectiveness. As we break with old paradigms that may have been a source of pseudo security of years. It is sometimes a painful process. It is a change that has to be motivated by a higher purpose, by the willingness to subordinate what you think you want now for what you want later. But this process produces happiness, the object and design of our existence. Happiness can be defined, in part at least, as the fruit of the desire and ability to sacrifice what we want now for what we want eventually. Now, vocabulary. Purpose. It means aim, intention, reason. Paradigm. It means pattern, mode, criterion. Interaction means interplay, interchange, link. Associates means companion, allies, buddy. Creating means build, make, construct. Requires means need, seek, demand. Dimensions means expansions, vastness. So forth stand for after this. Growth means development, flourish, enhancement. Breakthrough means advance, a step forward. Willingness means will, wish, eagerness, enthusiasm. Subordinate means underlying. Existence means being, presence. Sacrifice means renunciation, reject. Eventually means lastly, in conclusion. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.